Seeing the way having trouble making sure it's you message while trying to log into PayPal cannot be good, especially when you need access to payments, transfers, or account settings right away. Many users notice the message appearing during sign in, identity verification failing unexpectedly, or login attempts getting interrupted even though account details seem correct. Sometimes the issue appears suddenly after changing devices, locations, or passwords. In many situations, a PayPal we are having trouble making sure it's you issue can happen because of browser problems, verification interruptions, device recognition issues, or temporary account security checks. Before trying random login attempts repeatedly or changing too many settings at once, these are the steps you can try to fix this and access your PayPal account properly again. Number 1. Close the PayPal app or browser completely and try signing in again after a short moment. 2. Switch to another browser or device because temporary verification issues may affect account access. 3. Confirm your phone number, email access, or verification details remain available for PayPal security checks. 4. Clear browser cache or restart the PayPal app to refresh temporary login communication properly. 5. Try logging into PayPal again and confirm whether the identity message disappears afterward.